Revitalize your hair. Unravel the power of shampoo from the roots. Do you ever look forward to each hair washing session as a rejuvenating ritual for your locks? This shampoo holds the secret to breathing new life into your hair. Starting from the hair structure, hair is composed of the medulla, cortex, and cuticle. The cortex determines the strength and elasticity of the hair, while the cuticle is arranged tightly like fish scales, protecting the internal structure. The plant proteins contained in this shampoo can deeply penetrate into the cortex, filling in the proteins lost due to daily damage, repairing the broken keratin fibers, and enhancing the hair's toughness. This makes the hair strand strong and elastic, fearless of the harm from combing, perming, and dyeing. When it comes to the water balance of the hair, hyaluronic acid in the shampoo plays a crucial role. The normal water content of hair is between 10%–15%. When water is lost, the hair becomes dry and frizzy. Hyaluronic acid can firmly lock in moisture, forming a moisture-retaining film on the surface of the hair strands and deeply penetrating into the hair core to replenish water, keeping the hair hydrated at all times and bidding farewell to dryness and split ends. The sebum secretion of the scalp is also of great importance. Both excessive and insufficient sebum secretion can affect hair health. The plant essential oils added to the shampoo, such as tea tree oil, can precisely regulate the sebaceous gland secretion. For oily hair, it can remove excess oil, while for dry hair, it can moderately replenish oil, maintaining the water-oil balance of the scalp and creating a healthy environment for hair growth. This shampoo, by repairing hair strands, locking in moisture, and regulating oil, takes a multi-pronged approach to safeguard hair health, bringing you one step closer to your dream hair with every hair washing. Sipimo offers a variety of hair care products that address your problems from the root, enabling you to have a head of healthy and shiny hair. This not only enhances your personal image but also serves as a symbol of confidence and charm,